Ulit dyan, ha?
Drop P's and
Hindi na pa.
drop P's and then go out na. Don't Q's and W's.
Hanya, I don't need you to walk inside the Zerg when we're kiting. Take the sides and then locals. I-cleanse mo yung mga na-hold, okay?
UV rin ba tong guild na to? Kalaban?
Mm, di rin.
Okay.
Small guild but not exactly newbie.
I see. Or baka bago lang yung depth tank.
Be careful. Yo, Luca, I need you to look at the backline. They're aiming for the backline, okay? Drop the Enigs and the Judys on the backline, okay? Not all together, go stack on the backline, right? Hold. Give me silent puddles where I'm at. Do we have... Ay, wala pala tayong heavy mace. Never mind. Wait. Hold lang. Luca, stop hitting that shit. Stop hitting the mounted guy. Ready, we're gonna do a quick engage. Don't make it obvious. Ready, on the J. 5, on the J. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the J now, on the J. And then come back. Full spread and then locus now. Cleanse the front. Ready to defend. Def the front. Demon the front. Nice. Now reflect. Wait now. Keep kiting southeast. Help me Nashi on the back end. Ready. 10 minute cooldowns. Ready. Kite. Come north. Ready inside us. Let's engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. And then spread out. Everybody regroup on the tent. Come.
Tigilan namin sa likod.
Come back. Regroup on the tent.
Ang gastos pa
Help Shinaino. Come back. Looks out. Do we still have the occult? Comes out. Yo, ready. Occult now. Can we chase? Hold now. Okay, good job. Nice. Spread out. They don't have... Yo. Ready, inside us. 5, inside us. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. Good job. And then come back. Come back. Kite now. Everybody kite.
Ganker ka dyan.
Guys, just go full out, you know? Full out. And then, honey, your job is to cleanse us when we're getting hold.
DPS yung sa loob lang i-roll dyan. Napipigilan namin yung iba. Yung na kayong sa kwan, sa likod ko.
Ang lahi nito? Laban? Pinoy?
Pinoy yun.
Halo yun.
I am Battlemount ang putik.
Wag nyo i-dismount yung ano.
Care. Start kiting now. Locus the middle. Locus here on the crown. Locus now. Locus on the crown. Good job. Keep moving. Come up. Up. Look. Up. Turn. Wait now. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. Where's the fucking permites? Too late. Come back northeast. Help your middle. Brawl the ones inside you. Come north. Come northwest. Keep coming northwest. Cleanses now. 10 minute cooldowns, boys. 10 minute cooldowns. Wait now. Keep coming northwest. Help your choke. Healers heal. Ready inside. 10 minute cooldowns, boys. Ready. Don't run. Ready on the choke. Look. On the choke. 5, on the choke. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke. Everybody hit the choke. And then spread out. Come north. Brawl the ones inside. DPS, brawl the ones inside. Brawl the ones inside. Reset now. Reset cooldowns.
Overextended yan, Eurus.
Yeah. Comes out. Can we hold him?
Hindi nyo alam
Go.
gagawin nyo sa brawl, guys.
Drop your ease on this guy. Late perma.
May damnation?
Meron.
Yeah.
Guys,
Ano?
huwag kayong mag-beam, guys.
Collar din.
Come up.
Bagal sa ang hina ng mana. Ang takal ko sa mana, rather.
Ang bagal natin kahit
Bagal nga. Nasustop naman ng tanks yung back, yung mga...
Sa tunga, guro tasugod, Dorius.
Yurios,
Para
gusto mo
taas-taas
mapilitan yung mga
tagdalaganan.
yan? Yurios, gusto mo mapilitan yung mga yan, hindi mag-brawl? Pakloti mo mamaya lahat. Para
Ano,
matuto
ano?
sila na hindi brawl. Kasi lugi sila kung binabrawl nila.
gago. Okay na yun.
Para makuha lang nila yung mindset.
Follow me. Care. Come northeast now. Cleanses here. Keep coming. Keep kiting. Help your front. Nice, Hanya. Good job. Come back. Come southeast. Ready. I'm gonna fake. Look. I'm gonna fake. Go up northeast. Look. They're gonna dismount inside. Don't brawl them. Dinismount. Gago.
Sorry.
Everybody.
Mga mongoloid.
Spots inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up.
Ako sila.
Spread out. Come north. Bobo mo tawa. Come north.
Uy,
Sorry,
And then come southwest now. Chase them down.
Reset
down.
daw. Reset.
Stand me cooldowns.
5 seconds.
Inside. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up.
Nice.
Come back.
ikaw din nag-smart out of fight.
Siya.
Pindot na ko ang cube ay. Yaw.
Smart ka lang. Huwag yung smart.
Reset daw.
Ang ina 3 brawlers dinismount.
Nasa memory.
What's the memory ba yan?
Alam mo paano matuto mag-kite yan?
Paano?
Nagde-death giver ako.
Kino?
Walang healer yung kalaban, di sila makapag-brawl, di ba?
Gago. La, forensic.
Bago 20 kids talaga yan. Kaso paktisin natin mag-kite muna.
Matanda
Hindi
na.
marurunong itong mga ito mag-kite.
Yo, come back. Healers, come back. Matanda ka na, uy. Sabi ni
Wait lang, Yurios. Palit ako, Dust Weaver. 3 na
Sige,
night
sige.
armor natin. Pangatlo ko. Dust Weaver ako isa.
Sige.
Pangatlo. Apat kita na. Ay na.
Where are they? Ready na?
Yun daw.
Okay, Ardo. Yo, can you keep holding this guy? Care now. Come southeast. Keep coming. Tanks ready to set up. Wait now. Hold.
Diskarte nila, sinisisi ng mga tank, tapos di-dismount yung mga brawler.
Oo nga eh. Kailangan natin aktuhan agad yung pagka-dismount nila. Keep healing your front.
Dami naka-mount up sana, pwede natin patayin yung mga tank na to eh.
Yeah. Wait. Yo, look at me. You're gonna engage on the crown, okay? Wait now. Look at me. When I tell you to drop, you drop it, okay? Hold now. Just keep kiting. Nice cleanses, good job. Keep kiting. Wait now. Kite more. Come up. Don't hit this guy. Stop hitting. Up a little bit. Come back. Come down.
Ako dismount na nila.
Care. Go back. Nice cleanses, good job. Hold. You're gonna engage where the crown is, okay? Drop your ease on the crown. Hold now. I'm not gonna make a clump. Wait now. Stop. Come back. Wait now. Look. Come up a little bit. Yo, come west now. Tanks hold them. May hammer ba tayo? Rigi. Okay.
Meron si Ricky.
Rigi, dito ka. Wait lang. Wait, after this. Keep healing your front. Wait now. Okay, wala na mga ito. Okay, wait now. West 5, West 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it on me, drop it on me, drop it on me.
Ay,
And then
gago.
come back. Cleanse the middle, cleanse the middle. Sala. Di mo now. Pots now, everybody pots. Trust me, pots. Trust me, pots. Pots it out.
10 seconds.
Yeah. Pots it out.
Five seconds.
Ready now. Ready inside. Keep kiting north. Ready inside. 5,
Yo.
4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. Oh, man. Come back. Sumala tayo dun.
Ay, go kuan by sword.
May naka 8-4, no?
May IP ba to?
1-1 IP.
Pero grabe pamalo yung sword na, no? Parang 3 clap.
Bakit
Ano
yun?
yun?
Gago.
Yo, DPS, switch to soldier helmet.
3 clap? Paano yung weapon yun? Do gano'n, ah.
Weapon yan.
Infinity. Switch to soldier helmet now. Comes out.
Hey, Petsilog. Palaroin mo na ulit si Petsilog. Napaludo.
They're on Ping Yurios. Upstairs, dismounted.
Laos.
Look, you're gonna take your space, okay? Come north. Come up. Up here. Come north.
Kahit tiraglayo, Reds. Ayaw na to dito, balik.
Yeah. Come northwest here. Come northwest. Up. DPS, I need you to start rolling on the west side. Don't overextend, okay? Leo in here. Look. Look at the west. Take your space. Ready. Come northwest, boys. Come northwest here. Help Satsujin here. Ready, demon in the middle. Wait now. You're gonna headbutt all together, okay? Let them clump. Ready your full defense. Wait now. Wait, they're coming. Wait now. Spread out. Yo, can you brawl this guy? Brawl the one inside. Brawl penguin here. Wait. Come south a little bit. Yo, help your front. Help your up. Help upstairs. Heal them OG here. Wait now. Ready inside. Look. Ready inside. On me. 5. On me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. And then spread out. Kite west side now. Brawl fashion player here. Wait. Demon now. Full. Enig. Hello, Enig. Where's the Enig? Hello. Come northwest. Keep kiting, boys. Keep kiting. Tank spill now. Come northwest up here. Upstairs. Ready. Southeast. 5 on me. 4. Walk. 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Hit your crown. Everybody hit your crown. And then come down. Everybody full spread.
Sakit.
Full spread.
Sabi yung pinili.
Luka, yung enig mo, hindi tumatama sa kung saan yung may damage. You need to look where the damage is. Parang tinatoggle mo ito sa isang tao. Yung damage natin is yung backline, so dun yung enig. Yung enig, yung players na nadadamage dyan is yung nasa baba ng choke. Yung enig nandun pa sa stairs. So, adjust natin konti. Mount up. Come northwest here. Okay, let's fucking play the game. MSW. Loh, nawala si Prinzik.
They're on the
MSW.
middle.
Yeah,
They're on
this
the
one here.
middle.
Let's play the game, okay, boys? Comes out. Look. Comes out a little bit. Wait, tanks don't overextend. Okay, wait now. Hold lang. Come northeast. Start kiting northeast. Wait. Start kiting northeast. Start northeast. Hello? Northeast. Wait now. Wait.
They're not following, ah.
Yeah, I know. Can you try and dismount him. His Zerg is very far. Tanks, hold nyo lang dyan. Ha?
Engage na ako mag-glow na.
Yeah. Look at your crown. Wait, come back on the northeast here. Keep kiting. Look, they're trying to pressure us. Look. Come northeast here. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yo, try to brawl this guy. Brawl this guy. Don't drop piece, okay? Don't drop piece.
Ayan.
Just dismount him. Okay. Good job. Tanks, hold him now. Wait now. Come southwest here. He has no boots. Wait now. Come back. Come back a little. Okay, wait now. Yo, try to brawl this guy too. Try to brawl this guy. Wait. Brawl the brawlers inside, okay? Then we kite all together. Hold now. Come northeast. Keep coming. Careful. Wait. Come. Don't brawl now. Don't dismount anyone. Come southeast here. Don't dismount anyone. Wait now. Keep kiting first. Yeah. Wait now. Can we hold him on the choke here? Wait now. Hold now.
Okay. Sige.
Ready on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. On the choke. Hit the choke. And then full kite, boys. Full kite. Ready, spread out. Ready, demons in the middle. Look at me. Sa akin na yung enig. Enig na. Sa akin na. Okay, good job. Pats now. Everybody pats now. Trust me, you're gonna win. Come south. Ready, inside. Hold them where I'm at. South, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside, hit me. Hit the crown. Hello?
May smoke.
Okay na. Spread out, everybody spread. Come to the tent. Kung nasan yung crown, doon din nagkumpulan yung DPS. Come. Come back. Ano to?
Ano nagawa niya?
Come SW, finish them. Come SW, all of your east here. Finish all of them. Wala, tangina. Medyo madugong laban tong kite na to ah. Fuck. Lorenzo, where are you? Kabalik ka na, Prenzik.
Na-DC yata si Lorenzo. They're still in the middle, dismounted.
Yeah. Come southeast here. Come. Let's go full monkey, boys. Come south. Full spread and brawl inside. Dismount here. Listen to me when I tell you to kite, okay? Everybody on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of your east, here. And then spread. Start kiting now. Look. Spread, start kiting. Defense now. Demon the middle. Enig now. Enig the middle. Where's the Enig? Enig now. Good job. Good fucking job. You're fine. Come downstairs, boys. Come downstairs. Inside, on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Hit the choke. Everybody hit the choke.
Titi.
And then come northeast. We don't have healers anymore.
You.
Come northeast. Yeah, it's okay. Let's check the votes later. May nag-vote ba nito? Yung healers, our healers, make sure that you're not inside the choke, please.
Ako ata,
Ito,
nasa
may
data ako.
Falling Star. May Mirana.
Oh, ano yan? Astral.
Hinaabol ako.
Make sure that all the healers, please make sure that you're on proper spacing, not exactly where the enemy is. Okay. Everybody mount up. Shinaino, where are you? I'm south. Dismount here. Come back.
Wow, may bagong cape.
Start kiting, start kiting, start kiting, start kiting, start kiting, start kiting. Listen to me, start kiting. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Nice, nice, good pills. Come, keep coming, keep coming. Why the fuck are you on the fucking choke? Hello? Come. Come. You're ready inside us. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Wait now, wait now. Come up, come up, come up, come up. Ready inside us, ready inside us. Wait now. Wait. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now, southeast now, southeast now. I missed. Come back, come back, come back. Everybody come back, everybody come back. Peel now, peel now, peel now. Keep kiting, keep kiting, keep kiting, keep kiting. Nice cleanses, good job. Demon now, demon now, demon now, demon now, demon now. Press your R, press your R, press your R, press your R. Demon now, demon now, demon now, demon now, demon now, demon now. Nice defense. Yo, come down, come down, come down. Everybody come down, everybody come down. Help
Ready,
lethal,
ready.
help lethal. Ready on the choke, ready on the choke. 5 on the choke. 4. Wait, after your root bound. Hold. Tanks, hold them now. Set up now. Southeast, southeast. After your J. Come. Come southeast, boys. Come southeast. Walk southeast. 5. Southeast. 4. 3. 2. 1. Southeast now. No. Hit this. Tingnan nyo. Okay, spread out.
Grabe ako
20
magtank.
seconds.
Spread out. Help show you. Come north. Look.
Hirap ng bear pa.
Grabe ako magtank. Shit.
Sabi yung part. Nice
Di dumadagdag yung buhay sa nature pag ano, mga bear pa.
Cover, wait.